Let's learn how to make YouTube thumbnails using Canva. First, we download the Canva app. Here, we will click on the YouTube thumbnail. Then, we will choose from various unpaid and paid version. So here I am going to use the unpaid template. This one would do. Click on the person to remove the person. Similarly, I'm going to delete other words from the template as well. Click here. Here you can see various design for the templates. You can choose any other one or the previous one. Now we click on the element. So here I'm typing VS. Here there is various unpaid and paid version of the graphics. I'm going to choose the unpaid one. Now I'm going to choose a suitable text. You can duplicate the text by clicking on this button right here. Here you can look at the font size and adjust according to your need. I'm changing the letters in the box. And adjusting the font size as well. You can also change the color as per your need. So I accidentally pressed backspace. You can find your previous work in the recent design. The Canva will automatically save your work. So here I'm choosing different colors so that the font becomes visible as compared to the background. So I accidentally changed the whole color of the background. Luckily, you can undo it. I'm moving on to elements. Here I type IELTS to see if I get any unpaid version of the elements. Unfortunately, there is none, so I'm not going to use any. Now I'll use instead a text box for the title. This one would do. I'm going to change the color of the stripes in the VS so it is more visible. Okay, now let's search for a picture to paste on the template. Position the picture according to your need. And you can save the image in your device. Here you go. Please subscribe to my channel to learn more.